How to get a creator code in Epic Games or Fortnite. So the first thing that we want to do is search for Epic Games creator code and open up this first link here. It's gonna look like this. Sign up to apply. We want to click on this button here and it will ask us to log in with our account, our Epic Games account here. So I'm just gonna log in real quick and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So after we have logged in with our account, I'm just gonna click on maybe later here. So after we have logged in, it's going to look like this. Receive real money payout awards from creating and sharing content for Fortnite, Rocket League, and participating titles in the Epic Games Store. If we click on apply here, it will show us this. You must verify your email address first, and we have to enable two-step authentication. So complete the steps above to continue. Click here to continue. So after we have completed this, I'm just going to complete these steps here. So the email is verified, as you can see, but we need to enable two-factor authentication in my case. So right here, I'm just going to go to two-factor authentication. I'm going to set up my email for two-factor authentication here. So I'll just come back in a second. Okay, so I just enabled two-factor authentication on my account and I'm going to click here to continue. Now, as you can see, it will refer us to another page. Just refresh it if it doesn't work. Just gonna go back. All right, it's gonna look like this now. Okay, so welcome to the Epic Games Supporter Creator Program. Here's what to expect during the application. So tax and payout, bank account number. So I'm gonna click on start registration here. I'm signing up for myself or on behalf in an enterprise. We want to check this, submit. You want to read these agreements here. So just scroll all the way down and we want to check these boxes. I have read, acknowledge. We don't want that option, so click on submit. Now tell us about yourself or the applicant here. So what do you where do you do your work? So here it will ask us for our YouTube channel, Twitch channel, Facebook, Twitter, VK, Instagram. So basically, depending on whichever platform you use, we can connect it right here. So for example, if I use YouTube, I'm going to connect it right here. And this is the important part, your creator code. Please enter your desired creator code in the field below. Because each creator code must be typable and unique, your desired creator code must meet the following requirements. Must be between 3 and 16 characters, must only contain alphanumeric characters, underscore, dash, or dot, and must be consistent with the Epic Games community rules, which basically means nothing inappropriate. So right here, I'm gonna do net help as an example, and it will show us whether our code is acceptable or not. And then we will obviously have to connect our YouTube channel here as well to the, to this platform. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on submit here after we have connected it, and then we will have to fill out our tax and payout information as well, which I will not be able to show in this video. But after we have filled it out, we will click on submit yet again here from the last page, and if we get accepted, we will get an email stating that our code is active here. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.